Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
MLA NPP na rilum garo Marcus and Marak. Ubelong ru Menteri Kesorka Jela. Hakashitrik uyayong aratar pausan. Rodawai Menteri ang Biren jong Jela Manipur. Biren Singh. Ban Panmap mardor loga Kynthoh klem nongrim. Pyrshah MP Biren Ketura. Upono agitok Sangma. Blaklat no nagadigas lapertai. Hakaji kran makilar pathai kubor Marcus ulang ba hakikirteng jong National People's Party. Rodawai Biren Singh bude ban Panmap megajing Kynthoh. Pyrshah upono Sangma ublaklat no namar baka perthai brok kuwi katip syai kedar bagajing umsnam hapo ke Jela Manipur kedai ke blalehi du Biren Singh min bodang long midrang ba ke Jela Manipur.
And Biren Singh, who is a former Chief Minister of Manipur, and he has created the mess in Manipur, which everyone knows it. And now he is putting a blame on Sangma, who is no longer with us in the world. Totally, this is unacceptable. We condemn it, and I seek an apology from Biren Singh. You must seek an apology because you should not put a blame on Sangma. Sangma has been an integrity leader. He has been a national leader who has worked for the people of Northeast, for every state, and his principle is to unite everyone together, not to divide each one of us. So therefore, I totally condemn this one on behalf of NPP party Garo Hills, and I'll seek an apology from Biren Singh.